Where you going to?
Going north.
Hey, do you have a cigarette? I'm fresh out of them.
I don't smoke.
Get out of here. Let's go, Corsini. I told you there was nothing we could do. You won't get anything out of this crowd.
Nah, I'm staying and I'm gonna report them.
Say that again. I don't hear too good, buddy.
I said I'm gonna report you. Every one of you. Nobody can just kick us out of work like that without giving us a reason.
Why not? I can do what I like. If I want to fire you, you get fired, and I don't have to give you any explanations. You got your money, didn't you? Now get out of here before I call the police.
Miserable bastard.
Let it go. We'll take our case to the union and let them sort it out.
Right, you really think they'd help us? Come on, I wasn't born yesterday. They won't lift a finger to help us. They're as corrupt as this crowd. I'll take care of this myself. I ain't afraid of these apes. I want an explanation. I ain't going till I get one.
Look, I'm warning you. You better get going.
I want to talk to Manzetti.
Who do you think you've been talking to?
Come on, you ain't worth shit. I want to talk to your brother. Tell him to get his ass out here and do his own dirty work.
If that's the way you want it. But first, Luigi here's got something to tell you.
Oh!
Any of you others got any objections to make?
Yeah, I figure these men are getting a lousy deal.
Where'd he come from?
They got a right to work. They gotta eat too.
Who's this jerk? Someone who's looking to get hurt, and he's come to the right place.
What you're trying to do to these guys ain't fair.
Yeah, who says so?
The union, I guess. And if they won't help, I will.
Who are you?
Just someone looking for a job to eat and pay the rent. Like anyone else.
You'll end up in the same condition he's in if you don't get the hell out of here.
You missed the point, didn't you?
God damn it to hell! What are you standing there for? Get him!
Let me guess, you got hit by Spider-Man.
Funny, but it's no joke. The sub-character out there just beat up 4 of our guys in 20 seconds. Call up some more men. Get on with it.
What are you talking about? Those 4 men we just fired?
No, I never saw this guy before. Look, he must have been sent by one of the unions, like Leon's on it. He's giving me all this crap about workers' rights and all
Which
that.
union?
How the hell should I know? Get on with it. Call the others, for Christ's sake.
Hey, you! Looks like you're pretty good with your fists. See how you are with me.
like him around here. Put him in the truck, take him out to the city garbage dump and leave him there. Move it.
If we don't finish him off, what's to stop him coming back again?
In that condition, come on, he won't be giving us any more trouble. Let's go.
Take him away. And don't bring him back, son of a bitch. I've done a couple of deeds.
How old are you?
21.
That looks better, doesn't it? Bye, Picasso.
What are you looking at?
Nothing. Are you hurt badly? I asked if you're hurt badly.
What's the matter? Can't you see? You blind or something?
Yes.
Sorry.
Where are you going?
Find some place I can wash the smell up.
Why don't you come to my house?
What house?
Mine. That one over there. We have soap and there's lots of water.
Can I help you?
I know the way. Thank you all the same.
What's your name?
Nina.
Where's your father?
I'm her father. And her mother, and her uncle, and her grandfather, if you're that interested.
She said I could come in here to wash, but don't worry about it. I'm leaving.
No, you don't have to do that. If Nina invited you in, that means you're okay. She has a good feel for people. She's never wrong about anybody. And that she sees better than you and me put together. No, we ain't related. She came to live with me when she was 5 years old. She's been abandoned. What are you, from out of town, huh?
You guessed it.
Hey. And I'll bet you're here to seek your fortune, huh?
Something like that.
You couldn't have chose a shittier city. What's your name?
Marco, yours?
Mine. Saphead. It was given to me as a nickname. At the time it was a joke. Now I wouldn't want to be called anything else. Be careful on that. One of the legs is missing.
Huh.
Sit in the middle. You want some coffee?
Sounds like a good idea.
Of course it's a good idea. I'll make a great cup of coffee. When I get this machine working right, it'll be incredible. I bet you're asking yourself where I get my coffee. I pick it out of the sacks that the wholesalers are throwing away. There's always a coffee bean or two stuck inside. So it comes in handy. Afterwards, I sell the sacks. How about that for using your head, huh? No, it's coffee. Smell it.
What have you got against this town? What's wrong with it?
Everything's wrong with it. I don't mean for those that got money. They always got it made. No, I'm talking about the ones on the other side of the tracks. The industrial zone. Whatever that means. It makes no difference. They closed the plant where I work because they said it was polluting. Bullshit. Only gave me an excuse to turn us loose to rot like a bunch of lepers.
Who owns the plant?
Those brothers, the Manzettis. Everything here is owned either by them or that other mobster, Belmundo.
Do they get on well?
Ah, it's one of the great love affairs. There is one point they agree on, though. The police. One side owns half the cops, the other owns the rest.
Where'd they get the dough?
Contraband, cigarettes, and Mazzetti's. Nightclubs and prostitution, Belmundo. When they got nothing else to do, they kill each other off. You take my advice and forget it. Believe me, you're doing yourself a favor.
Been a pleasure meeting you. Thanks for the coffee.
Forget it.
Ciao, Nina.
Ciao.
I hope he really does leave. This town wouldn't do him any good.
We'll be seeing him again before long. He's not leaving.
How do you know that?
I know, that's all. You'll see.
The jugular. The right eye. The left eye. Why the hurry? What do you want? I suppose you're in trouble again. Benny, you're a joke.
Listen to me, Rico. We've had trouble down at the plant.
I figured that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. Go on.
The union sent down a heavy. Stake my life on it.
It's a bet you'd lose. Hello, Arthur. Rico Manzetti. Did you send a man down to us? No? Huh. No, I was pretty sure about it. No problem. See you around.
I don't get it. Who sent him? If it wasn't the unions. Judge Grimaldi. You sure?
Tell him I want to see him. If he's got anything to do with Grimaldi, I'll fix him.
Well, where am I going to find him? I told the boys to unload him somewhere out of town. I'd be dead for all I know.
You'll never grow up, will you? Yes?
Rico, it's Alex. outside. What shall I do?
Bring him over.
Yeah, okay. Be nice to him, sure. Okay, I'll be right over.
Hello.
What the hell you bastards up to? Go on, get back to work. Come on, move. Bring me the car. Hi there.
Ciao.
Sorry, but sometimes the boys get over-enthusiastic. They thought you'd been sent by one of the unions to stir up trouble. There's a lot of that going on these days. If one of them shows up here, we kick him out. You understand me, don't you?
Couldn't be clear.
You're to come with me to see my brother. He's expecting us at the villa.
I only came here looking for work, that's all. Not an invitation to the castle.
Well, we all jump when Rico gives an order. And he doesn't like it when his orders aren't obeyed.
Let's not keep him waiting. Let's go. Come on. Franco, open up. It's us. Rico's expecting us.
Here he is, Rico, like you asked.
I understand you came around looking for work and got into a fight. You beat up my security guards. What for?
Your men have got a funny way of giving interviews.
You ought to try public relations. What's your name?
Marco Russo.
I hear you're from out of town.
You heard right. What's the matter? You got something against out-of-towners?
You got a chip on your shoulder. It's none of my business where you're from. My family were immigrants, too.
You're a gun freak by the looks of it.
Yeah, it's my hobby. Come take a closer look. They have the essential qualities that every weapon should have. Two in particular: elegance and reliability. Used correctly, this will solve all your problems. It's light, accurate, and I know how to use it.
I don't agree with you. And you know why? I think they make too much noise. And as you can see, the result is the same.
Hey, Rico, he's stuck in the same hole you made with the bullet.
Not exactly. I was maybe a couple of centimeters too high, but when it's necessary, I can be faster and more precise.
What are you trying to do, impress me?
Your shooting doesn't impress me either.
Come inside. Now, I am impressed by that. A body that would make the dead come back to life.
I suppose you think that's funny. Wasn't killing your father enough for you?
Where are you going?
You're pretty busy. So if you don't mind, I'll go back to town.
Don't give me that crap. You say you want a job. Are you prepared to take risks?
How much do I get?
Depends on what you're worth. Alex handles the payroll. I want him with me tomorrow.
Hey, how can you trust him not to... Okay, Rico. Whatever you say, you're the boss.
See you tomorrow.
Right.
Can I ask you where we're going?
No. Go by the florist.
Why don't you look where you're going?
Everything okay?
The link-up worked perfectly. Tail car liquidated as planned. We are in position. Over.
Well, are you still interested in knowing who we're waiting for?
I know who it is.
Who is it?
That house over there is the property of some big shot. Yeah, Judge Grimaldi, unless I'm mistaken. His photographs in everything you read.
I suppose you know why we're waiting for him.
Murder him, maybe, huh?
Yeah, you win a prize. For some reason, he's got it into his head to clean up this town. I can't let him do it, because we've always kept it clean.
Here they come now, Rico.
Okay, stop here. You still feel the same way about guns, my friend?
You prove nothing to me except you're a good shot.
You got a job.
But I didn't do anything.
Lucky for you. I'd have blown your head off. If you'd even moved. Ciao.
Hi. I knew it was you. Sappy will be back in a minute. He went to the drugstore.
What's that you're doing?
Playing.
Looks like a TV antenna. Is that what it's going to be?
Why, you mean a TV antenna's this shape?
Yeah, they look something like that. While you're playing, I'll wait. Okay?
Okay. What's that?
A little box that plays music. I keep it around as a souvenir.
Of someone you loved, right?
Yeah, but they're only a memory now.
Have you traveled a lot?
Yeah, all over. Syria, the Congo, Vietnam.
I'd like to travel. What did you do when you were in those countries?
Fought wars.
You mean you make a living fighting wars?
Yeah, you might say that. An evil kind of work.
If you hated it so much, then why did you do it?
Yep. That's a good question.
Hey. How are you, Marco?
Hey, hi. It's good to see you again.
Nina was right after all. I told you.
Right about what?
That don't matter. Come on in. Have a drink with me. It's on the house. Make yourself at home.
What's that thing?
Oh, that's my distillery. Patent applied for. I pick up the bottles thrown out by the bars, and I hang them upside down. Genius, huh? Yeah. I sit and count the drips. Of course, it takes a whole sack full of bottles just to get a half an egg cup full. You got to be patient. Yeah, if you don't give up, you get something that I call virgin's revenge. Oh, boy. It kicks like a mule. Here's to you. Did you find any work?
What'd you say?
I asked you if you found any work.
Vanzetti.
Ah, God damn it, Marco. I warned you, didn't I? It'll end badly.
Perhaps it will. Listen, can you do me a favor?
Sure, if I can. What do you want me to do?
Will you take care of this?
What, with all this cash, why do you have to work with Manzetti?
It's not for me. When I get back home, I'm going to need that for a little land at the cemetery. For my mother and my sister. A little land. And a marble tombstone.
You're here because you need more.
No. I'm here to do something else. I have an unpaid debt to collect. Take good care of the money.
Don't you worry. Why do you trust me so much?
You give good vibes. Tell me something. Where can I find Belmondo?
What did you say?
I asked you where I could find Belmondo. Been wanting to have a little chat with him.
With Bob Belmondo? Marco, you're mad. You get yourself into trouble.
What else is new? Where do I find him?
You're not only mad, you're hard-headed, too.
Where is he?
You'll find him at the Black Cat. There, everyone knows him.
Thanks. I'll be back to see you again real soon.
Well, I'll say a prayer for you. Believe me, you'll need it.
Take care of yourself.
I'll catch you later.
Look, I don't like it, Rico. It doesn't make sense inviting Belmondo to dinner. You know what he's going to think? That he's got us against the ropes and we want to eat humble pie.
Don't worry about it. You can eat hamburger.
I don't get it either. What's the point? They're nothing but trouble. A couple of words from us on their drug handling and the cops would have a ball.
Use your heads, you two. Now listen, we need their cooperation. An official inquiry into Grimaldi's death means the police will investigate us. And then payoffs can't help. We've all got to keep our noses clean. No infighting. Until the inquiry is over.
You're the boss. What do we have to do?
Send off that invitation to Belmondo. Warn our men that unless otherwise ordered, there's to be no trouble with the law, Belmondo, or anyone else. Is that clear enough?
Perfect. I'll see you later, Rico.
And you? What do you have to say?
It makes no difference. I prefer to take orders.
Looks like you're learning, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's so good to see those shining faces out there. As you can see, our evening show is about to begin. Anyone may participate, and whoever doesn't loses the possibility of stripping the beautiful, talented Maristella, the star of the Black Cat. The rules of the game are simple. A miss will cost you $100. A hit, and guess what, boys? Paradise is yours. Come on, gentlemen. Don't keep Maristella waiting. Right this way, sir. Every time you succeed in catching the hook, you will release a wire which will relieve our lovely Maristella of part of her clothing. If you fail, you pay. Are you ready for the first attempt? You're on, sir. 1, 2, 3, go! Well done, sir. The man's got muscle, that's for sure. Do it again, sir. Magnificent! Magnificent, huh? You're getting closer all the time now. Take it easy. Our friend appears to be in a hurry to get to paradise. Take it slowly, sir. Allow yourself the time to admire Maristella's incredible body. Now that you've relaxed, try it again. Oh, what a shame. We're sorry about that, but I think you allowed your imagination to run away with you. Sapped your strength. We're just as sorry as you are, I can assure you. Now that we're at the gates of paradise, there must be someone else prepared to risk $100 to discover the more delightful aspects of this beautiful
I'll give it a go.
Step right up, sir. I knew there had to be someone amongst all you beautiful people prepared to keep the game going. To be quite frank with you, Maristella would have been more than just a little insulted. Give the gentleman a big hand. $100 in the event of failure. Cash in the barrel.
Okay, by me.
Okay, when you're ready. The lights! The lights! Cut the goddamn lights!
So where's the guy who wants to see me?
I don't know. He was here a minute ago. I don't know.
Go find him and bring him upstairs.
Right, boss. Excuse me.
What the hell are you doing here?
Don't get excited. I'm not mad about you either. I want to talk to Bob Belmondo.
What do you want? Go out of your nose.
I still gotta get dressed.
So what do you want?
I came here to warn you.
What about?
A little joke that Rico Manzetti's preparing.
What type of joke?
He's invited you and your men to a dinner, right?
Maybe he has, so what?
Well, while you and he are eating, I got orders to plant a hot car in your backyard. The one they used to take out Judge Grimaldi. After which, he's going to tell the police where to find him.
I'll go to the banquet while my boys check your story out. And if it happens that you're taking me for a sucker, I'll kill you. If you're telling the truth,
Give me 4 times the amount I take with Rico.
All right. You've got yourself a deal. I'm betting blind.
What the hell? What's going on down there? Hey, you! Get the hell out of that car! Stop!
See the one we gotta kill?
No, not him, you asshole. We'll go tell Belmondo.
How come you're not ready yet?
Aren't you interested to know how Belmondo took Grimaldi's death?
We'll be having dinner with him soon. He'll probably spend the evening congratulating me.
Oh, yeah? I suppose you know he's been stealing from a certain junkyard. You ought to check out his warehouse. He thinks car stealing is a good business.
Alex?
Yeah?
Put that car back where it belongs. When you're done, join me at the banquet.
Louis, Joe, let's go.
I want you to do the honors.
Thanks. What a disappointment. I was expecting to see a nude.
What the hell's the need for another nude girl when we got you?
Oh, Bob, sweetie, you're not going to tell me you're jealous of me, are you? Because if you are, it means you love me very much.
Oh,
and,
Christ.
darling mine, if you meant it...
I'd buy you a new car, I suppose.
Oh, darling, how did you guess you're so precious?
Well, you can forget it.
Gentlemen, and you, ma'am.
She's creaming
The
herself.
toast is
over
nearly
the guy.
always insincere, and I detest words, especially when they're a substitute for facts. This evening, I thought I'd make an exception. The reason I wish to do so is both opportune and important. In the past, there has been a lot of bad blood between us. It's pointless to deny it. But I deplore the rivalry, the jealousy, the absurd demonstrations of force that have marked the past. If our two organizations continue to fight, we'll only grow weaker, thus creating the opportunity for someone else to step in. That there are still differences between us over certain territories is no more than stupidity, because we know that our interests are in different fields and don't conflict. Our work is hard enough as it is without continual fighting, which has, I might add, a negative influence on our profit margin. I am certain that with this new friendship between the Belmondos and the Manzettis, the hard times and the fights are finally over. This dinner is the first example of friendly collaboration between us. May it not be the last. From today, let us help each other wherever and whenever possible. From this moment on, a new brotherhood is born. We can overcome our difficulties with trust and understanding. United, we can truly say, this city is ours. From today on, no one will dare to try to muscle in on us. I call this a project for survival, and we Manzettis are 100% behind it. The fact that Belmondo accepted my invitation this evening is proof that he, too, is thinking along the same lines. This, then, is the significance of this dinner, and in closing, it is my pleasure to invite you all to raise your glasses and drink to a long and fruitful friendship.
Beautifully said, Mr. Manzetti. I got goosebumps all over me. I'm tingling.
I'm gonna be sick of you carry on like that.
You're no fun at all.
To everyone's continuing good health, and to you, Belmondo.
Stand up, idiot.
Hey, boss. We killed them all except his brother, who we left alive. Good, huh?
Our dear friend Rico Manzetti, at the start of his talk, told us he detested the use of words, although he talked at great length. I think maybe he was trying to cover up something. Myself, I prefer the facts, as I'll prove to you. Roughly 10 minutes ago, a group of armed men entered one of my warehouses and sparked off a fight. I must inform you that the intruders are dead. All killed in self-defense. Except your brother, Rico. It's quite clear to me that those idiots were acting on their own initiative. The words of our host a few moments ago make that quite obvious. And that is why I feel I should show some trust and understanding by proposing an exchange.
What exchange?
Your brother in exchange for certain papers that you have and I want. Come on, friends. A little happiness never hurt anyone. Let's drink to the collaboration between Rico Manzetti, myself, and our two allied organizations.
There's one thing I don't understand. How Belmondo found the car we used on Grimaldi.
Someone must have told him.
Yeah, I guess so.
You ready to make the exchange?
I see you're on your own. You must like living dangerously.
Well?
No, I forgot. Be seeing you, Belmondo.
It's better we don't, Rico. You know how messy that'd be.
Alex! You should take it easy with that stuff. It gets on my nerves you're being drunk all the time.
If I am, it's completely thanks to you. Anyway, there's not much else, is there? Other than drink all the time. I happen to be bored stiff.
My money, how about that? Does that bore you?
Yes, to be quite frank, it bores us both, Lisa and me.
That's how I got to know her. Fish it out. Didn't you hear what I said? Fish it out.
Why should I?
It's your salary, that's why.
Someone will kill you sooner or later.
Who will?
The person that sends roses to me.
Little girl, it's me who sends you the roses. Benny. Put it down. Benny. This bitch has finally broken my balls. Lock her up in one of the storerooms in the park. She can stay there until she's dead.
Sure thing, Rico. I'll take care of her. Come on, woman.
Move into my room. From tonight on, you'll be taking your mother's place.
Alex, we gotta lock her up in one of the storerooms.
But weren't you saving this so you could buy a plot of land in a cemetery?
I haven't forgotten.
I didn't mean it like that. Sorry. When will we see you again?
Perhaps tomorrow.
Oh, fine.
I may have to sleep here.
You can sleep here anytime you want to.
1 or 2 days. I can sleep on the floor.
Oh, we can do better than that. Just you wait.
Thanks.
You come back, huh?
Are you kidding? Where else could I get coffee like yours? Ciao, Nina.
Noise, not a word. Why, what the hell do you want?
Shh. Police is waiting for us outside. Hurry up. You're both leaving this goddamn place.
But you're one of the...
Don't make a sound. Come on.
Hey! Who's looking for some action?
The World Series was won by the Yankees. Right, well done. Now the second question. Who won the basketball gold medal at the Munich Olympics? Russia. They beat the United States. Right, yet again. Next question. Who won
What the hell are you doing here?
What are you so upset about? Just because I'm taking a walk? Since when has that been against the law?
Listen, my little sweetheart, you get yourself back home. If Rico sees you out, you'll be in trouble.
Hey, what's happened?
Looks like Cinderella's got itchy feet. Guess she wants to end up like her mother. You go on home now. Oh!
The keys and the registration are in the glove compartment. Go as far as possible. Any other city, but far away. This ought to hold you for a while. After that, you have to take care of yourselves. Hope things work out for you. Yeah.
Please, why are you doing this?
To remind me of two people that I loved.
Come on, Mummy.
Don't waste any more time. Go on.
God bless you.
I don't know who you are, but you've been too much trouble.
I'll give you 3 guesses.
This is the wrong day to be a smartass.
Sapping.
Nina. Come here, what is it?
Nothing. Nothing.
The other one. That's enough. All of you, get out of here. Where have you hidden Lisa? You said you came from out of town. What are you looking for? Who are you? Where's Lisa?
How come you don't go ask Bob Belmondo?
Because I'm asking you. You gonna talk? Don't be a hero.
Bastard.
I don't know about you, but I could use a drink. You got anything?
Go get it.
a close eye on the prisoner. I don't want any trouble.
Okay, get over there. Right. I'll join you after I've locked the gate.
Here we go, you guys. Just what the doctor ordered.
Hey, man, leave some for us.
Hey! There's smoke coming from the warehouse!
The fire extinguishers, they're inside. Get that damn door open.
Holy shit! We can't do nothing from here!
Go call the others. Get your ass moving. Don't just stand there. Hurry up with those extinguishers, stupid.
I can't find them.
Move! That bastard's inside. If he gets roasted, Rico will murder us.
Get those cardboard boxes away from the fire!
Wait a minute. This way. You'll be safe here. Put you down over there. Now, be careful sitting down. No one will find you here. What do you want? This is the second time you come to my home uninvited.
This place ought to be demolished.
Is that right? No one's asking you to live here. I asked you what you wanted.
I want to know where that pig's hidden.
You're the only pig I know.
You stupid old man. You know damn well who I'm talking about. And I want to know where he's hiding.
I ain't got no idea. And I wouldn't give him away even if I had.
Alex, Benny.
You can rough me up all you like. You won't get one word out of me, you cheap bastard.
Is that so? We'll soon see. Benny, get the girl. Hold her.
No! Not me now!
Well, you got your memory back?
I don't know. Look, I don't know where he is.
You don't know, huh?
No.
Where are you, Sappy? What are they gonna do?
No! Take your filthy hands off her! She's only a child, for God's sake!
She doesn't know anything. God damn you all to hell!
Alex?
No! Shut up, you little bitch! Come on, rip it off! You grown woman! Hold her eyes. You first!
What if he's made a deal with Belmondo?
Yeah, I thought of that. If that son of a bitch has switched sides, we'll know soon enough. We'll pay Belmondo a little visit tomorrow. Uninvited, of course.
Nina. Nina. No! Oh, Nina. Forgive me. Hi, Marco.
Hi.
How are you? I brought the stuff you asked for, okay? You'll have to make the food last for at least a couple of days. It's better I don't come here too often. I might be seen. If they ever found out.
Tell me, how's Nina?
Better. She'll get over it. You know, there's one thing about being poor. We got one advantage over the rest of humanity. There's a lot more resistance when it comes to suffering. The word is something big's about to happen.
What?
Things are beginning to warm up in town.
What kind of things?
I'm not really sure, but I might be wrong, but I think the Manzetti's want to finish up Belmondo. And before tomorrow evening.
I'll be ready for him after that.
I hope it works out for you, Marco.
Let's try out the wires. Rocco, give Maristella a hand to get set up.
Check it out good, huh? Last night this skirt almost tore my hair off.
The wires are probably catching somewhere. Shouldn't take too much to fix it. Okay, are we ready?
Get the others.
Get ready for a fight. We've been invaded by the Manzettis.
We've looked everywhere. He's not here.
Let's go. Strange. There's no answer at the plant.
If they're outside, they wouldn't hear it.
Let's go check it out.
All right, you guys, come on, snap it up. We're going to the plant. All of you, take both cars.
You check the offices. You, over there. Alex, the warehouse.
go. Jesus Christ. For me? Hey, how'd you lay your hands on this kind of cash?
The Manzetti brothers had a change of heart. Call it unemployment insurance.
Where to now?
I'm going home. Gonna buy a piece of land. And after that, who knows?
Me and Nina will be thinking about you. Hope you find what you're looking for.
Take care.
What is it?
It's that little box that plays music. It's so you'll have company.